But no cigar for Idrissa Gana Gueye.
A great opportunity. Been a bit fortuitous the way the ball arrives at his feet. He cleverly allows it to run across his body. He's just got to get his foot around that. He's not a noted goal scorer. That's a glorious opportunity.
Well, what a way that would have been to celebrate his 99th cap. Well, if we need a night out, we don't have to move very far.
Well, if the rhythm on the field matches that in the stands, we're in for some night.
Press for the first time!
Pace to get to his goalkeeper. He's the one, they will accept that. They didn't get the...
Ecuador lose their way. Finding little gaps again there. Here's Gana Gueye. Good work by Sabali. Galindez. Without Sadio Mane. See how they quickly doubled up there. Galindez.
It's clear that they're not going to be able to outrun.
Movement's been very good off the ball. Ready for Senegal now at the other end. It's... The flag was... Tar. And Jai. That'll be easy for...
Great play.
Strada in the middle, there goes Valencia. Galindez, a decent punch to that. He's been all come forward with some purpose here. And Valencia looking to be a nuisance too. We're going to get through to the round of 16. Yardo, and he wasn't up to that test. Still to register. Jai, excellent ball in. Brought a brilliant defensive record into the tournament. Valencia.
Largely, that's how Senegal have to approach it. Must win.
We've had 4 attempts. Nobody scored from a free kick yet in the World Cup.
Ecuador, but that's the longest
for the last 4 years. And Jai. It wasn't too far. Plata's ball in. Who chased that down? Michael Estrada. Important minutes to see out here. It's in Jai.
55, 60 minutes if you're not switch the play quickly.
Sabali, excellent cross. It's Kata with a goal from Cody Gakpo. The referee has given a penalty here. No problem. Ice cool. And if he was ever any more laid back, he'd be horizontal.
They would dispossess Senegal.
Right in that area. To a minimum of 6 additional. World class, of course, as he is, and very popular. Senegal here. Now it's a role reversal. Here's Sabali.
Really stake a claim for potentially
drawing level with Henri Camara. 99 caps for Senegal. In by Plata. Jacobs with the Senegal free kick. Free kick against...
But he is an ex-player at this level, we'll know that.
Offside. Preciado. Ecuador to just one touch. Nice turn there from Sarr. He's such a slim. Senegal deal with that. Cifuentes looking for Preciado.
Senegal have been on a very good run, especially in the last 18 or so.
On by Sarr. It's driven in by... There have been very good times. Done his defence out to stay at home. It's a foul by Preciado. Stupinian's cross. He's had mostly defensive duties to do so far. Stupinian.
A clever ball.
We're seeing a lot of the ball, Ecuador.
Since feet.
Ecuador trying to get something for the set piece, and they do! Moises Caicedo! Attempt of the second half, Senegal, and they're half! Captain Fantastic! Kalidou Koulibaly!
Và họ vừa giành được bóng, họ lại làm mất nó rồi. Họ đang chơi phòng thủ rất kín kẽ.
Nếu tôi là một cổ động viên chủ nhà, tôi sẽ rất khó chịu.
Đúng là như thế, chẳng ai muốn bỏ tiền ra vào sân vận động chỉ để xem đội bóng con cưng của mình. Có cơ hội. Anh ấy đã cứu được một bàn thua trông thấy.
Họ vẫn có thể có một tình huống, một thời điểm quyết định trận đấu trong thời gian ít ỏi còn lại.
Cantona. Anh ấy không chuyền hỏng bất kỳ đường chuyền nào.
Khi xem bóng đá, tôi rất thích chứng kiến một bên đang nắm quyền kiểm soát và có được những đường chuyền rất tốt.
Tôi cảm thấy họ có một sự tự tin rất vững vàng đấy. Renato Luis Sanchez. Phối hợp tốt. Có cơ hội ngay bây giờ.
Wow!
Vâng, họ đã vươn lên dẫn trước trong trận đấu này. Khoảng cách giữa hai bên đã hiển thị rất rõ ràng trên bảng điểm.
3-1 trên bảng tỷ số. Chúng ta sẽ